Hey, what's going on, guys? Like Lucas here, back with another video. And today we're playing some PC Building Simulator. Now, last episode, my friend Scorch was here. He's gone now. But before this video continues, I just want to let you guys know that I have a Discord server. It's in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified of exactly if and when I get uploaded. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So, last off, I had basically had some computers I was working on, and I basically was just grinding away. What am I doing? Why did I just remove the GPU? I just had a brain fart. Yeah, no, I did not mean to do that. The GPU is not the issue. I need to install another CPU, and then also upgrade to 8 gigs of RAM. Oh yeah, that one green one that was freaking sitting on my desk forever, it's now gone. Just freaking get rid of it. Took me forever to get rid of it. So annoying. Okay. Now this is gonna have a decent, or like an actual good CPU, I think. So, and they wanted this one. I have a lot of the budget ones. It's pretty cool. Tools, thermal paste, boop, and then CPU cooling, boop, boop, then cable. Oh, that's a closed memory clip. I want to cable the... What? See, that's what I don't understand. Why did it... I clicked on cable. I think. Maybe? Okay. Well, whatever. It's not like I can complain. Okay. Maybe the cable just doesn't reach. Cable. Oh, there we go. Now it does reach. Okay. Now, it says upgrade to 8 gigs, and they were smart enough to pull the RAM out rather than me being the RAM monster, as you can see, and just stealing all of the RAM. They decided to take theirs out, which is pretty smart. So, I'm going to go ahead and power this on. Yeah, I tend to steal people's RAMs. So, if I ever own a repair shop, make sure to pull your RAM out first. So, now, that is 3 computers that are now fully working, and I just need to grab this one, which is running 3D Mark. Leave that by door. And there we go. 3 good computers. So now I can go ahead and go bam. Bam. And also discard any of the ones that I don't need. And bam. Discard. Discard. Okay. Upgrade to 500 gigabytes of storage, sure. There's just more stuff that I can get. Just go full screen so that you guys can see it properly. Oh, this one's... That one's sort of difficult. Okay. Upgrade to 4 gigs of RAM. I know I have like I can use 2 of the smaller sticks, so I'll accept that one. That one's good. This one's going to be a little bit more difficult, but I'm up to it. And this one, I don't know if I have a 500 gig hard drive. I probably do. I have a oh, I do have a 500 gig. It's used. Perfect. I don't even have to order any of the parts, really. Except for the ones that have upgrades. That one's... this one, I'm not sure, though, how to get a score of that. So... So yeah, now I literally just need to shut down my computer. Benches are clear. I got $1,000, $1,118. No, $1,182, and I gotta pay this, and I have to complete a job at the same time. So I'm sure I'll have enough to pay for it and whatnot, and I'll have it done by then as well. So. Go to work. Wait, how come my parts aren't here? Did I forget to click the button? Let me guess. It's probably just sitting there in my cart. Yeah, I think I totally forgot to press the button. 0, what? Wait, wasn't I supposed to get a delivery? What? Wait. Look. Oh, wait, no, I had all the parts I needed. Whoops, my bad. See, I'm so used to having a delivery. What's this one want? This one wants 500 gigs. That's easy. Let's see. I'm assuming there's a 120. Yeah, probably. Yep. I was right. Unplug the hard drive. Unplug the hard drive's data. Remove this. I'm not sure which one is data, which one is power. SATA. SATA is data, power. And then storage. This one. Perfect. Close that. Close this. Can I actually put the drive in? Oh, there we go. And then, oh, whoops. I want 3. I'm gonna start probably using the numbers because I haven't been using them, so just makes it a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and power this on. Now I have not really gotten someone that wants me to build a computer for them, so still waiting for one of those. I've gotten a diagnose. Diagnosing is pretty fun. So next we have this one wants 4 gigs of RAM. I can do that. I'll just pull the... Do they leave me some RAM that I can steal out of it? It looks like they did. A 2 gig stick. Let's just see. Do I even have... Oh, I do. I do have a 2 gig stick. It's used. Apparently I can sell it for $7. You know what? Yeah, let's install this one. There you go. This one wants me to run 3D Mark. Sure, I can do that for you. Now let's just give people a free 3D Mark, like Advanced Edition. Like, you know, I'm not gonna uninstall it after I'm done. I'm just gonna keep it on their computer. Alright, now what's going on over here? Oh yeah, I need to get a score. That's going to be sort of difficult. But let's just start by pulling the side panel off. Then we'll go ahead and power on the computer. Yeah, and then I can go ahead... Ooh, whoops. Okay. Okay, this one... Now I need to actually remove my stick. Oh, whoops. Escape. And then go ahead and install, which is 1. Oh, whoops. No, not Q. Install USB drive. And then go ahead and install it. Perfect. Now I can go ahead and open up 3D Mark, or add remove programs, 3D Mark, and then I'll be good to go. Okay. Notice that there's a Mobo sitting here. Huh. Interesting. Yes, I would like to restart. While that's running, let's go ahead and open up an email. Collect, discard, new parts available. Diagnose and fix, sure. Yep, I can do that for you. Let's run 3D Mark to get a base measurement of what the score is. Now these are both running 3D Mark. Let's see, what FPS are we getting? That's not bad. What's this one getting? Oh wow. It's like glitching out all over the place. Wow. Okay. Interesting. So yeah, this is a pretty fun game. I enjoy it. I mainly enjoy just grinding away and just getting money and just working on stuff. I wonder if I can pay my bill early. Is that a thing? Nah, I don't think I can. Yeah, no. Alright, I didn't know if clicking on it might have paid my bill, and I think I get an email, and then I can pay for it later, I guess. Or, like, I can pay for it right then and there, so. That's probably what I'm going to do. Just pay for it and get it over with. So I don't have to deal with it later. Once it's paid, it will just be able to continue. It's not that much, just my rent bill. I do get electricity bills as well, which is pretty cool. Alright, this one needs an upgraded graphics card and 8 gigs of RAM. I know I have an 8 gig stick, I think. Maybe? Maybe? It's a broken one. Alright, well, I know to buy a... Oh, I do have an 8 gig stick. Yep, I was right. So I'm just waiting for this to run. Okay. So... Now... Not sure how it calculates your score, but it definitely doesn't add the two together. But it looks like most of it's GPU and some of it's CPU. So, knowing that, what do they want a score of? 3728, and we get what? 3. Okay, so. Alright, that's not that bad. How many gigs of RAM is in there? Okay, there's 4 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna just try installing another stick of RAM if I can. No, I don't have that available. Okay. Those are... What CPU is currently in it? It says right here, actually. Ryzen 3 quad core. Okay, do I have a better one, maybe? Oh yeah, here's a Ryzen 5. Oh, that's a broken one. Okay, these are all broken. Might as well sell those. Alright, what about graphics cards? I don't think I have any. Yeah, let's just sell the broken ones. Yeah, I don't really have any, like, good ones. 3728. I don't gotta go that high. There's a 970 in there, a Ryzen 3 quad core. So let's go... Let's maybe go for... I don't know what's going to be the best way to go, but let's just try... like this one. But that's expensive. But let's do it anyway. I just want to try. I've never really done one like this where I have to get... Oh, you have to get this or above. But I've done, like, fix my computer and whatnot, so... Yeah, let's go ahead and buy that. Alright. Yeah, I guess we'll find out tomorrow what happens. One day. Go to work. Pick up my CPU. Perfect. Let's throw another computer down. I hope that this is the RAM. Yep. It is, but that one also needs a graphics card. And then I also got to diagnose the computer. Okay. So one thing at a time. Let's just try... let's go ahead and remove that cable. Let's go ahead and pop the CPU out. Remove that. Install. And you know what? If I don't hit the score, I can always just get a new, like just keep it and use it for a different computer. Or I could always just keep it and sell it maybe or something. There's lots of options for that, so. I don't really care how I orientate the fan, to be honest, but. Alright. This one needs an upgrade in its. Okay. In its GPU. Oh, this is a pretty sick computer. Yeah, I'm assuming there's a oh wow, there's a 2 gig in there. Let's see if I can use up a. Oh, I can. Ooh. Okay, maybe. I'm just gonna shove all my 2 sticks in there, and I don't have to sell them. Because they don't sell for much, so I might as well just plop them in. Yeah, let's use all of these. See, this is sort of what I saved mine for, is like, oh yeah, you need 4 gigs? Okay, I'll just shove a bunch of 2s in there. Or 8 until I get to 8 gigs of RAM. Perfect. The GPU, on the other hand, I am going to have to buy a new one. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and run 3D Mark again. And let's hope that I do okay. Alright, upgrade graphics card. That is a little bit more difficult. Well, no, not really. I just need to look at what it is. It's a Radeon R7 370 gaming 4 gig. Okay. R70, what was the model number? I can't quite remember. Yeah, it's a 370. Okay, I'm gonna get the slightly more expensive card in hopes that it's better than... Yeah, okay. Wait, is there a lower option for cost? 3 to 5 working days. Oh no, I'm not doing that. Next day delivery is okay. That's the computer that needs a new GPU, or like wants their GPU upgraded, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. And in the meantime, I can go ahead and collect this computer. This one needs to be diagnosed. Okay, let's go ahead and power it. Okay, it doesn't power on. Now, first issue could be... It's probably the PSU, to be honest, but I was going to say maybe they didn't connect the power switch to it, so just want to make sure that that's good. Now, I do actually have another one, but I'm not sure if it's going to let me because I'm going to have like an inferior PSU. I don't know if it will let me or not. So, I will find out. You know, I've got a 1 terabyte a 1 terabyte, no, sorry, not SSD, a 1 terabyte hard drive and a 125 SSD in my PC, so. Missing cables, that's all it says. Okay. So this should work as long as the power supply isn't too weak. I don't know, it might be. Looking at this, actually. Alright. And power on. Alright, did that put us over the edge? Ooh, 3728. Oh, that didn't do a lot, actually. Okay. You know, it's almost not even worth it. Alright, what's the GPU at? It's a 970 gaming. Let's see if I can find that one. That was the 970 gaming. What's the difference between these? I don't know. Interesting. What's the cheapest card here? I just wonder. Oh, it's this one. 750 Ti. Price ascending, not descending. Actually, yeah, let's go descending. Okay, so this is the most expensive. And then ascending. I'm thinking about going for this card. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm ordering 2 graphics cards. This computer's all good, sort of. I might do a CPU swap. This one, on the other hand, needs a new GPU, which I am purchasing right now. And I basically just need to wait for this one. What's this one doing? Why isn't it doing anything? Oh, it's great. Everything's okay. Perfect. Let's just throw this back on, and then I can go ahead and, yeah, everything will be good. I can throw this over by the door and collect my money. Perfect. Alright, let's quickly collect my money. Here we go. New parts available. Alright, well that's gonna do it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.